So Jeannie, what do you think? What's going on here?
There's a hell of a lot of water coming down here. And a suicide mission looms.
So now talk about how great the cycling is here in the spring, in April.
So we're out here on our bikes, and this is just a fabulous day cycling up here by the Snoqualmie River. And you know, as the sun is just gently setting in the west, it's lovely. It's really perfect. Early spring. Yeah. We just have Southern California beat.
Yeah.
We really do. Southern California. You suck. We beat. We rock up here.